So welcome back again students to another video lesson. So after nating i-discuss yung introduction to polynomial functions and then yung previous video lesson natin, yung graphing polynomial functions. So yung next topic natin, of course, we have to solve problems involving polynomial functions. So ina-apply syempre yung real life situations dito. So for our lesson objective, basically, we will solve problems involving polynomial functions. So, real-life application of polynomial functions. So, the application of polynomial functions is not only limited in the field of mathematics, but it may also be used in different areas of life. Nowadays, learning mathematics is more effective if it is being applied in real-life situations. So, dapat hindi lang confined sa topic natin sa mathematics yung mga examples natin. Mas maganda na relatable yung mga topics natin sa mga students. Yung mga nakikita nila sa paligid. Okay, yung mga makaka-relate sila. So, mas magiging okay yung discussion, mas matututo yung mga bata kung nire-relate natin sa real life situations. So let's have problem number 1. Peña's Seafood Grill and Resto, founded by Mariano Peña in 1980, has catered different seafoods and has made it famous. Its average monthly profit P in pesos can be modeled by the function P of x is equal to 0.0019x cubed minus 2.6x plus 1,800, where x represent the number of served customers. The target profit of Mr. Peña for the month of May is at least 40,000 pesos. Is this possible if x is equal to 600? So by the way, so yung restaurant na sinasabi ko dyan and then yung founder, hindi naman po yan nag-e-exist talaga sa totoong buhay. Okay. So, next, kailangang matarget daw ni Mr. Peña yung kanyang profit sa month ng May, which is at least 40,000 pesos. So, we have there the word at least. Ibig sabihin, equal sa 40,000 o maaring tumaas pa. So, the question is, possible ba na matarget ni Mr. Peña yung kanyang profit for the month of May kung ang number of served customers is 600? So, 600 dapat ang kakain dun sa resto. Para titignan natin kung makukuha nga ba talaga yung target niya na at least 40,000 pesos na kita sa month of May. Gamit itong given function. Ayan. So, yung solution natin, to determine if Mr. Peña's target profit will be achieved, simply substitute the given number of customers to the function, which is 600. So, yung function natin, ayan, given siya. And then, ang gagawin lang natin, lahat ng nakikita nating x, ayan, dito sa right side ng function, isa-substitute natin yung 600. Again, yung 600 is the number of customers. So, ayan. Isa-substitute lang natin yung magiging P of 600. Ayan, as you can see, naka-substitute na. So, dito sa 1,800, since constant term siya, wala po tayong kailangan i-substitute. As it is po siya. Next, after nating ma-substitute, kailangan nating express yung 600 raised to 3. So, ang tamang way po dyan, kailangan munang i-evaluate itong nasa parenthesis bago nating i-multiply dito sa 0.00019. So, that is 600 cube. 600 times 600 times 600 will result to 216 million. So, after nating makuha yung 216 million, that is the time na pwede pa lang natin siyang i-multiply dito sa unahan niya. Next, 2.6 times 600, ayan po yung sagot niya, 1,560, and then copy 1,800. Next, kailangan nating i-multiply yung 216 million sa 0.0019 and it will give us an answer of 41,040. Ayan. And then, sulat natin minus 1,560 plus 1,800. So, since, ayan, naka-express na lahat, i-perform na lang natin yung operation para makukuha natin yung sagot. So, kapag pinerform natin yan, ang magiging sagot po is 41,280. So, ano po yung 41,280 na yan? Ito po yung profit during the month of May. Ayan. Magiging profit niya, month of May. So, to answer the question, if Mr. Peña's target profit will be achieved for the month of May, achieve po siya. It's because, if you still remember, dun sa problem, at least 40,000 pesos. Ayan, lagpas na po yun sa 40,000 pesos. 41,280 na siya. Ibig sabihin, yung 600 na customers na yan, magiging sapat para ma-target ni Mr. Peña yung kanyang profit for the month of May. Next, let's have problem number 2. San Luis is a small town located in the province of Pampanga. The population in thousands of the town from 2016 to 2019, P, can be modeled by the function P of t is equal to 0.035 t to the fourth power plus 0.08 t cubed plus 0.4 t plus 9, where t is the number of years. Okay, so yung given function natin, ayan, and then titignan natin kung ano yung yearly population of the town from 2016 to 2019. And then, graph and describe the trend of population of the town. So, explain natin ano nga ba yung trend. So, kung pababa ba yung naging population or pataas. So, for our solution, to determine the yearly population, use table of values. The population is the dependent variable while the number of years is the independent variable. Okay, so nakadepende po yung population dun sa number of years. So, ayan po yung kanyang table. So, yung number of years, ayan. So, you can see, ang nakasulat po dyan, 0, 1, 2, tsaka 3. So, yung 0, nire-represent niya po yung 2016. So, at the start of the year. Kaya 0 siya. And then, next year, 2017, and then 2018, 2019. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dyan, substitute the number of years on the given function to determine the yearly population of the town. So, yung 0, 1, 2, 3 na yan will act as t, yung number of years, na isa-substitute natin dun sa given function na sinabi ko kanina. So, yung una natin, if t is 0 at the beginning of the year, yan. So, yung 0 po kasi kapag sinubstitute natin sa given function natin, ayan, tatandaan nyo na any number or any term multiply to 0, the answer is 0. So, as you can see, ayan, may tatlo po dyan na 0. So, ayan. And then, yung constant term natin na 9, wala naman siyang variable, kaya natira siya. So, our final answer will be 9. Ibig sabihin, 9,000 ang population ng San Luis during 2016. And then, during 2017, yung first year, ayan, isa-substitute lang natin yung 1, ayan, 1 raised to 4. So, kahit 1 raised to 1 million pa yan, 1 pa rin po ang sagot. So, kagaya lang ng ginawa natin kanina, ayan, isa-substitute lang natin. So, 0.035 times 1, that is 0.035, 0.08 times 1, that is 0.08, and then 0.4 times 1, 0.4, and then copy lang natin yung constant term na 9. And then lahat niyan i-add natin, which will give us an answer of 9.515. Ibig sabihin, during 2017, ang population ng San Luis is 9,515. Okay, 9,515. Next, during 2018 naman, so second year na, so t is equal to 2. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung 2 in place of t. So, ayan, 2 raised to the 4th power, kaya naging 16. And then, 2 raised to the 3rd power, kaya naging 8. Then, 2, ayan, multiply lang sa 0.4, kaya 0.8. And then, copy lang natin yung 9. And then, yung 16 na nakuha natin, imumultiply natin sa 0.035, 0.56 ang sagot. Yung 0.08 naman times 8, 0.64. And then, copy lang natin 0.8 tsaka 9. And then, again, pag pinag-add natin yung yung apat na yan, yung numbers na yan, ang sagot po ay 11. So, ibig sabihin, during 2018, ang population ng San Luis is 11,000. So, next, during 2019, so, again, isa-substitute natin yung 3 in place of t. So, 3 raised to the 4th power, that is 81. So, again, ito munang, yan binulugan ko na yan muna yung express natin. Kasi, kadalasan ang ginagawa ng mga students, minumultiply halimbawa itong 0.035 sa 3, tsaka i-raise sa 4th power. So, next, 3 cube, that is 27. Then, 3. So, 3 times 0.4, that is 1.2, plus 9. And then, 0.035 times 81, the answer is 2.835. 0.08 times 27, the answer is 2.16. And then, 0.4 times 3, that is 1.2. And then, plus 9. So, kailangan dito, alam pa rin natin i-apply yung rule sa operations on decimals. Kailangan naka-align po yung mga decimal point. So, our answer will be 15.195. So, during 2019, the population of San Luis is 15,195. So, since nakita na natin yung yearly population ng San Luis from 2016 up to 2019, the data may be illustrated using a line graph. So, para masagot natin yung next question, para ma-describe natin yung trend ng population, so, using a line graph, ayan. So, dito po sa horizontal axis niya, makikita nyo po yan, yung population in thousands, na may interval na tigpa 5,000. And then, dito sa horizontal axis naman, number of years during 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Anong mapapansin natin sa graph? As you can see in the graph, the trend is increasing. Yung population po natin is rapidly increasing, tumataas as the year pass. The population of the town continues to grow. After all, population is really inevitable. Kasi syempre, yung population ng tao, ang pagdami ng tao, hindi po talaga yan mapipigilan. So, kaya, tingnan nyo yung trend ng graph, increasing po siya. So, I hope naging clear yung discussion natin about this given example. For the last problem, so application siya ng geometric. Raymar is an overseas Filipino worker in Dubai who plans to go back home to spend Christmas with his family at the end of this year. He has bought gifts kept in a large rectangular box for his loved ones. The width of the rectangular box is 2 feet shorter than its height, while the length is 2 feet longer than its height. So, yung mga questions natin, for letter A, express the volume of the box in terms of x. So, paano natin ma-express yung volume ng box na yan in terms of x? So, kailangan po nating i-translate itong portion na to from the width hanggang dito sa tuldok. So, kailangan nating i-translate yan into mathematical phrase. Verbal phrase po kasi yan. And then for letter B, after nating ma-express yung volume of the box in terms of x, sabi niya for letter B, the volume of the box is 105 cubic feet. Find the dimensions of the box. So, given po yung volume ng box, yung capacity ng box, which is 105 cubic feet. And then, ang kailangan lang nating hanapin is yung mga dimensions niya. So, yung dimensions na sinasabi ko dyan are length, width, tsaka height. Yung box po kasi 3-dimensional figure siya. Hindi po siya 2D. Wala naman pong box na 2D. So, lahat po ng box, 3-dimensional figure po. Meron po silang length, width, and height. So, let's have the solution. Express the volume of the box in terms of x. So, paano natin i-express yung volume ng box in terms of x? So, kailangan po natin i-translate yung verbal phrase into mathematical phrase. So, dun po sa portion na meron tayong width, length, and height na nakikita. So, ito yon. The width of the rectangular box is 2 feet shorter than its height, while the length is 2 feet longer than its height. So, basically po dito, yung height po dito, ang magsisilbing x. And then, sabi dun sa una, the width of the rectangular box is 2 feet shorter. Ibig sabihin ng shorter, mas maliit. So, that is x minus 2. This will be the width. And then, dun sa malapit sa last sentence naman niya, the length is 2 feet longer. So, longer, ibig sabihin mas mahaba. So, ibig na x minus 2, it will become x plus 2 for the length. And then, how to express the volume of the box? So, yung formula for volume of the box, so rectangular prism is length with height, LWH. So, express natin siya as V of x is equal to yung length niya, x plus 2, and then yung width naman niya, x minus 2, tsaka yung height niya, x. And then, i-multiply lang natin yan. So, itong dalawa na to, x plus 2, tsaka x minus 2. So, ano lang yan, sum and difference of two squares. So, using FOIL method, i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang first term, tsaka dalawang last term. So, x times x, that is x squared. And then 2 times negative 2, negative 4. And then, yung last step, i-multiply natin dun sa x. So, v of x is equal to x squared minus 4 times x. So, maging x squared times x, x cubed. And then, negative 4 times x, negative 4x. So, ayan po yung volume ng box in terms of x. So, v of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x. So, dun sa next question natin, given po dun yung volume ng box, which is 105 cubic. So, para ma-solve natin yung dimensions, equate natin yung x cubed minus 4x dun sa volume ng box. So, itong v of x na to, kailangan po natin yung palitan ng 105. So, magiging ganito siya. X cubed minus 4x is equal to 105. And then, para maging equation siya, kailangan nating tanggalin yung 105 sa right side. Dapat 0 lang sa right side. So, yung 105 na yan, kailangan nating dalhin sa left side. So, we subtract 105 to both sides. So, magiging x cubed minus 4x minus 105 is equal to 0. So, yung equation natin kanina na nabuo, x cubed minus 4x minus 105 is equal to 0. So, yung next na gagawin natin para makuha natin yung mga roots ng given equation na yan, kailangan natin kunin yung factors ng negative 105. So, basically, yung 105, divisible siya sa 5. So, pwede nating itry yung 5. So, usually naman kapag ganyan, nag-end sa 5 saka 0, meron siyang factor, meron siyang root na 5. So, let's try 5. And then, apply natin yung synthetic division. So, isusulat natin yung mga coefficients ng given equation na yan. So, for x cubed, 1. And then, after na x cubed, dapat yung term dyan nakasunod is yung may squared. So, wala tayong nakikitang ganon. So, isusulat lang natin as 0. And then, negative 4x will be written as negative 4 sa kanyang coefficient. And then, negative 105. Ayan. And then, first step, bring down natin ng una. So, 1. And then, multiply to 5. Ayan. So, 0 plus 5. 5. And then, 5 times 5. 25. So, I hope hindi kayo nakakalimot pa sa process ng synthetic division. So, nagkakaroon lang kalituhan dyan kapag meron tayong missing terms. Hindi natin nalalagyan ng 0. So, nakadepende po yung bilang ng zeros sa bilang ng missing terms. So, kapag walang missing terms, we don't need to write 0. So, negative 4 plus 25, 21. And then, times 5, 105. And then, negative 105 plus 105, that is 0. Okay. So, since remainder niya is 0, 5 is a root or is a factor of the given equation. So, and then, ang natitira natin, ayan, yung mga nasa ilalim, express natin in terms of x para makuha pa natin yung ibang root. So, x squared plus 5x plus 21 is equal to 0. So, basically, hindi na natin pwedeng i-factor yung given equation na yan kasi wala namang factors ang 21 na kapag pinag-add natin ay magkakaroon ng sum na 5 dun sa middle term. So, yung rational root lang natin dito is only 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung 5 na yan ang magsisilbing height. Okay? And then, yung kanyang width, naka-express as x minus 2. So, magiging 5 minus 2. And that is 3. So, ito naman yung kanyang width. Next, yung kanyang length, x plus 2, magiging 5 plus 2. And that is 7 for its length. So, ayan, meron na po tayong dimensions ng box. So, to check, volume is length with height. So, yung volume natin is 105, di ba? Multiply lang natin yung mga nakuha nating mga dimensions, yung mga numbers. 5 times 3 times 7. So, 105 is equal to 5 times 3, 15, times 7, that is 105. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga dimensions na nakuha natin, ayan, so sulat lang natin dito yung mga dimensions sa itaas. And that is, for length, 7 feet by 3 feet by 5 feet. So, yan po yung dimension ng ating box, yung balikbayan box. So, after natin i-discuss yung topics on polynomial functions, so yung pag-introduce ng polynomial functions, pag-graph ng function, and then yung pag-solve ng word problems, yung next topic po natin is puro mga circles na. So, but before that, I will introduce the important terms related to circles. So, bago tayo mag-solve, mag-compute, kailangan alam nyo muna yung mga terms related to circles. Kasi, kung hindi nyo alam, malamang magiging mali yung mga computations nyo. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.